Hey, Bubba, what are you doing? Ethan, are you watching Blue's Clues? What's that? Come show Mommy the puppies. Hey, show Mommy the puppies. Come here. Hey, come here. Yay. Come here. Yay. That was a good job. So you just wanted your binky. You want the camera now? You can have the camera. Oh, you can come walk and get the camera. Sorry. Crazy camera. The Blue's Clues? Hey, that's a mommy's. That's mine. That's mine. You don't need it. You don't need it. Is that Blue's Clues? Hey. See, this is what we do when Blue's Clues is on, huh? No, don't bang on the TV. Hey, is that Blue's Clues? Blue's Clues? Hmm? Where'd it go? Where'd Blue's Clues go? See, I know that if I come get the remote, it'll turn Blue's Clues back on. So get it back on. See, I push and play, it's not working. Blue's Clues? Where's Blue's Clues? It's quite the look you're giving, Mommy. Here, turn it back on. Oh, you don't want me to do it? Uh-oh, now you did it. You hear the doggies? You hear the doggies barking? Do you hear the doggies barking? Where's the doggies? Ruff, ruff. Where are they? Where are they? Say, this thing won't work. Say, this stupid thing won't work. Give it to Mommy. Mommy will fix it. Give it to Mommy. Thank you. Mommy will fix it. Doggies? What's that? Is that Blue's Clues? No, you don't need the remote. Uh-oh, we had changed. Oh, we are mad that Blue's Clues isn't on. We are mad. There, it's right there.